Hi everyone, this is Navya and I'm the Global Product Manager of MultiOne in Signify. MultiOne is a configuration software which is used to generate feature files and configure LED drivers in your production factories. Now, let's look at how to save a feature file. You can save a feature file either by reading a physical device or by choosing a virtual device. In this case, I have selected a virtual device by using Find and Select Device option, and I have chosen a 40-watt SR driver. Once you enter the main configuration page, you can make the necessary changes to the required features and then save the file. So let's see how it's done. So in this example, I am going to select AOC and I'm going to set a certain value, say 600 milliamps. I am also going to select additional features such as luminaire info and MTP. Once you scroll down, here you click Save Feature File and MultiOne Web automatically downloads the feature file and saves it in your system. You can then use this feature file in combination with MultiOne Workflow to configure drivers in your factory. Now, I will show you how to read and configure a physical device using MultiOne Web. To specifically perform this action, you need to install an additional application called DCS. DCS is abbreviated as Direct Configuration Service, and you can find the latest DCS package on our global website under MultiOne Web. Here is the download link for DCS. I have already installed DCS and I currently have an SR driver with me. As you see here, the SimperSet interface is not yet connected, so now I'm going to make the connection. Once I made the connection, it turns into a green indicator stating that it is now connected, so I'm going to click OK, and the Read Device button is now activated. So I'm going to click on Read Device and now place the driver on the interface. And Web has identified the driver and it will scan the driver for the supported features. As you see here, it has scanned the driver for all the features. Here you enter the main configuration page and you can set the required features as per your requirement. Let me select AOC and change it to 600 milliamps. And I'm also going to select a few more features like luminaire info and MTP. And I'm going to hit Configure Device. I have currently placed the SR driver on the interface. So Web is finding the device and writing the features into the driver. And as you see, the configuration of the device was successful and very fast. With MultiOne Web, it is also possible to copy and paste the configuration settings of one type of driver to the other. Let's see how this is done. I will start by reading an SR driver that is currently with me by clicking Read Device. MultiOne Web starts loading the supported features of the physical driver. As you see, it is scanning for all the features. Once it is scanned, it will enter the main configuration page. Now at the top of the configuration page, you see the edit icon that looks like a pen. Once you click this icon, you enter another page that states Find and Select Other Devices. Here, you can type the product name or 12NC to which you would like to transfer the configuration settings. I will now type an LP device and select the right LP device to transfer the configuration settings. So once I've selected the right LP device, I hit Confirm, and here what you can see is MultiOne Web checks for the compatibility between the selected device and the original device. And as you see, we only have two compatible features, which is AOC and Dynadimmer. Then you click Confirm Device. And now MultiOne starts transferring the feature settings of the SR driver to the LP driver. Now when this process is done, you can scroll all the way down and you either have two options: to save a feature file which you can use it later on in the factory to program drivers together with MultiOne Workflow, or you can directly configure the device by connecting the physical device using MultiOne Web. Now your configuration is less time consuming and hassle-free with MultiOne Web. Thank you for watching and keep configuring with MultiOne.